Hello students, today I am going to start question number 4 of exercise 2.1. Now in this question we have a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So here we have a rectangular sheet. Okay. In which length is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long. Long means length. So here this is length and this is breadth. So here length is given 12 1 by 2 centimeter and 10 2 by 3 centimeter means breadth. So this is the shortest one is breadth. So this is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. We will have to find the perimeter. Now perimeter means the length. This is the length, total length. That means the boundary. Okay. Not the inside portion. This is called area. So we will not find area. We will find the perimeter, means the boundary. Total length of the boundary we will have to find. So here we will write. We know that perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So here this is length and this is breadth. So what will be the perimeter here? So 2 into length plus breadth. Now length is 12 1 by 2 and breadth is 10 2 by 3. So at first we will convert the mixed fraction to improper. So this into this plus this. So 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25 by 2 plus 10 into 3 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32 by 3. Now here the LCM of 2 and 3. See, 2 ones are 2. 3 cannot be divided by 2. Then 3 ones are 3. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we will write the LCM as 6. Now what should be multiplied by 2 to get 6? It's 3. So the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So 25 3s are 75 plus. Now coming to the second fraction. So what should be multiplied by 3 to get 6? So it's 2. The same number will be multiplied by the numerator also. So 32 2s are 64. Now 2 multiplied by, here no sign is given and after that bracket is given. So we will have to consider as multiply sign. Now 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 139 by 6. So if you cancel this, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. So answer will be 139 by 3 centimeter. So the perimeter will be 139 by 3 centimeter. Now if you convert it into mixed fraction, then we will write 3 4s are 12, then 3 minus 2 is 1, then 9 will come down. Now 3 6s are 18, 9 minus 8 is 1, so it will be 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Now in the next question we have find the perimeters of first part triangle ABE, means if you see the figure, this is the triangle AB and E. So we will have to find the perimeter of this, and perimeter means, as you know, that we will have to find the boundary of this. Okay, and then we will have to find the rectangle BCDE, means we will have to find the boundary of BCDE, means the rectangle in the figure whose perimeter is greater. Now after finding the perimeter of these two figure, means the triangle one and the rectangle one, then we will compare and will find the whose perimeter is greater. Now see, to find the perimeter of a triangle, we know that how to find the perimeter of a triangle. Now in the next question we have find the perimeters of number 1 triangle ABE, means if you see the figure, this is the triangle A, B and E. So we will have to find the perimeter of this. Now what is the perimeter of this? Perimeter means the boundary. So we will have to find the boundary of this triangle. Okay, at first, and then we will find the boundary of the rectangle BCDE. This is the rectangle BCDE. So we will have to find the perimeter. After find the perimeter of these two, then we will find the difference, that whose perimeter is greater. Now we know that perimeter of a triangle is side plus side plus side. Means if you add all the sides of a triangle, then we can get the perimeter. So we know that perimeter of a triangle is side plus side plus side. Now here the sides are AB, then BC, AB, BE and EA. Okay. So the length of AB is 5 by 2 centimeter, BE is 3 by 4 centimeter and EA is 3 by 5 centimeter. Now see, here two fractions are given in mixed. So we will have to convert it into improper. So 5 by 2 will remain same. Now 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4. Now 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18 by 5. Now we will find the LCM. As you know that we'll make the denominator same. Okay, to do the addition. So 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. As 5 cannot be divided by 2, so 5 will come down. Now 2 1s are 2, then 5, then 5 1s are 5. So 2 into 2 into 5. So LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So that means we will have to make the denominator 20. So what will be multiplied by the first fraction? Means the denominator. Here 10. So the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So it will be 5 10s are 50 plus. Now what should be coming to the next fraction? What should be multiplied by 4 to get 20? It's 5. Now the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So 5 11s are 55. Now coming to the last fraction, 5 will be multiplied by 4 to get 20. So here also will be multiplied by 4. So 18 4s are 72. Now if you add this, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 77. So we have 177 by 20 centimeter. This is the perimeter of a triangle. Now we will have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So here the name of the rectangle is BCDE. So we will write perimeter. Here we will write perimeter of a triangle. Give triangles and so ABE. This is the perimeter of a triangle, and now we will find the perimeter of a rectangle, which is BCDE. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? It's 2 into length plus breadth. So here this is the length. So length is 2 3 by 4 and breadth, this is the breadth. So this is 7 by 6. Okay, now we will convert it into improper. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. So we will find the LCM of 4 and 6 now. So what will be the LCM of 4 and 6? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3, then 3 1s are 3. So it will be 2 into 2 into 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12 will be the LCM. So we will write 12 here. Now see, what should be multiplied by 4 to get 12 is 3. So here also same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So 11 3s are 33 plus 6 will be multiplied by 2 to get 12. So here also multiplied by 2. So 7 2s are 14. Now if you add this, here 2 after 2 no sign is given, and after that bracket is given. So we will have to consider as multiply sign. Now if you add these two, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 47 by 12. Okay, now as you know that in case of multiplication we can cut up and down or we can cut diagonally. So see, these 2 and 12 comes under 2's table. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So we have got 47 by 6 centimeter. Okay, now the question is whose perimeter is greater. So what you have to find to compare these two, we will make the denominator same, then only we can say that whose perimeter is greater. So here one is 177 by 20 and another is 47 by 6. So at first we will find the LCM to make the denominator same. So 20 and 6, 2 10s are 20, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, then 3, 3 1s are 3, then 5 1s are 5. Now if you multiply this, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 5 is 60. So the LCM will be 60. So we will have to make 60 here. So by which number you multiply the denominator to get 60? It's 3. How? If you divide 20 by 60 by 20, then see 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60. So we have got 3, that's why 3 here. Now the same number will be multiplied by the numerator. So 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2 is 23, 2 carry, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5. So it's 530 by 60. Now here also we will have to make 60. So what should be multiplied by 6 to get 60? So it's 10. Now the same number will be multiplied by the numerator also. So we have got 470. 47 into 10 is 470. Now it's clearly seen that 531, see denominator is same. Now here 531 is greater than 470. So we will write 531 is greater than by 60 is greater than 470 by 60. So 531 means 177 by 20 and 170 by 20. If you see, this is the perimeter of a triangle. So we will write, therefore the perimeter of a triangle is greater. Of a triangle is greater. Okay. Thank you, students.